long-term relationship, have you or do you now have this feeling like everything has gone cold? Like the two of you have grown apart somehow over the years? Well, I was thinking about that concept this morning, and I was likening it to a house. You move into a house, the house is beautiful, everything works perfectly. And so, because of this, over time, you start deferring maintenance. You take that money and you spend it on other things. And at some point, X number of years down the road, things start to go wrong. And if you still don't reinvest in that house, more and more things start to go wrong. And one day you wake up and you think, this house sucks. I don't want to live here anymore. Nothing works. It isn't the kind of house that I want. And I was thinking about how this could apply to what happens to people over time. People in long-term relationships, that when they first get together, everything is beautiful. You have this other person that you feel understands and gets you more than anyone else in the whole world. And you're so swept away in love, you get married. And now you start perhaps taking on responsibilities. You get a mortgage, you're both working. Things come up in your lives where maybe somebody gets sick or you have problems with in-laws. Perhaps children come along. And because of all of these pressures, you take your time and your energy and your attention and you apply it to these other fires that are happening. You want to put those fires out, thinking that because my primary relationship is so solid, is so strong, I can defer the maintenance on that. And one day you wake up and you look at this other person and you think, I don't feel connected to this person anymore. I used to feel like they got me and I don't. I feel like things have gone cold. I feel like we have grown apart. But maybe, like the house, this is due to not reinvesting in your relationship on a routine and regular basis. And instead applying it to all the other things in your life, all the other pressures and concerns. So I just wanted to raise this analogy because I think that there are relationships that are in trouble that can be salvaged. And the reason I think this is because I did that in my life with the help of my wife. We healed old wounds between us. We each cleaned up our side of the street. And in so doing, we awakened that original chemistry, that original feeling that we had that drew us together in the first place and made us want to commit our lives to each other. So if I can be of any help to you, reach out to me, Peter at BlueSky Hypnosis. Book a free 20-minute call. We'll talk about this. And best wishes to you.